Hi! In this video, we are going to see about the if-elif-else statement to check many conditions with the help of the logical operator. Imagine if we have two conditions within the same if statement, what would we do? We already know how to combine two conditions using a logical operator.
So we are going to use that here. So we are going to take two conditions, use a logical operator, combine it so that we'll get one output and then use that in our if statement. Okay. Remember, we wrote an example for AND operator where we allowed students to attend an exhibition if they are between the age of 13 and 17. Let us take the same example. So how do we check for the condition? We write age greater than 13 and age less than 17. Correct? This is how we wrote the condition. Now, before we wrote this condition within a print statement and we got one boolean value which is either true or false. Now, let's remove there is no print. So, instead of the print, we are going to add an if statement. So, we will add an if here in the beginning and at the end we will put a colon and then enter and then tab key, then we will write print you can attend the exhibition within single quotes. Okay. Then we write the else statement, which is else colon enter tab key print brackets single quotes sorry you are not allowed to attend the exhibition. Okay, so we need to get the age of every person who comes. So let's say a child with age 14 comes, so we write age equal to 14. Now save the file and run the code. The output of the condition is true because 14 is between 13 and 17. So the statement given in the if block is printed. Now let's change the age to 10 instead of 14. Now let's save the file and run the code. Now 10 does not fall within 13 and 17. So the condition is not true. So the else block is printed. Now we have seen many examples for if and else statement and we will continue seeing more in the next two videos so that you know if else statement really well and you have no questions on it. Okay. So see you soon in the next video with more examples.